Konsihal, hindi ho ba naman, I'm sure kayo pamilyar sa sanitary landfill operation, di po ba? Yung kanyang
Yes,
yung kanyang
I'm very
layering,
familiar with.
yung layering
I'm very fam.
nito, yung leach,
Yes, sir.
yung kanyang leachate po ng mga dapat may pinupuntahan, and then yung kaukulang pong pagsasaboy ng mga chemical para sa amoy, etc. Dito po sa aming nakikita ngayon, diyan po sa Gumuhong yan, parang
Yes, sir.
naging open dump site na siya?
You're correct, sir. You're very right. It is not a sanitary landfill. This is an open dump site, sir. This is an open dump site. Just like what the last landfill that I closed, that I filed. In fact, I filed a case against the mayor at the time and the EMB at the time. It is an open dump site. It's never. It's a misnomer. It's not a sanitary landfill.
Okay.
No.
Opo, sa ganyan po na kayo na po nagsasabi, obviously, no, you don't have to be a sanitary engineer, no, to assess
Yeah,
itong
yeah, yeah, yeah,
itong
yeah.
ating ano ang pananagutan diyan ng operator at ng itong mga responsible sa pagbibigay sa kanila ng ECC ng permits?
Yes, yes. Especially EMB, sir. EMB.
Mm-mm.
I just want to share something, sir. No?
Mm-mm.
Around 2020-24, I visited the office of EMB because we have a joint venture agreement yung sa city for a waste to energy facility. And then when we visited her office, she was very excited about it. She was very excited, and then she even told me that it's the way to go. And then all of a sudden, may change of ownership, no, from ARN. It is now being owned by Primeways. And then at that time, sir, in fact, the spokesperson of Primeways even was our guest in our city council session, and he was really very emphatic, no, about this. Since they're the ones running now, and in the person of si Vince Hidson, sir, yung secretary natin sa DILG, he was the spokesperson.
Before?
He was the before. He was the spokesperson for this facility, and he promised us this is gonna be the best. It's gonna be safe.
Ng Prime
So
Integrated Waste Solutions?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Si Vince Dizon of DPWH.
Yes, sir. He was the one who appeared before us. And he told us that it's going to be safe. This is going to be high-end technology. And then, there's energy here that we're going to be harvested. And then, so who wouldn't believe it? No, then look what happened now.
Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami, hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So, paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!